So hola, this is Mr. Salvatore showing you a video on how to balance algebra equations. So balance algebra equations. So let's look at example. We have x plus 5 equal to negative 2. Okay, and so we solve for x. So x by itself. So first step is we see plus 5. So más 5. So plus 5 undo is subtract minus 5. So we do minus 5 minus 5. Okay. And so le erase. No necesita. Okay. So now we look at paper. You see we bring down x, and más 5 and negativo 5 is 0, equal to, we add negative 2, negative 5, so it's negativo 7. Okay? So respuesta is x equal to negative 7. So now we do check. So check, we put respuesta back into problema, so go back in for x. So we have negative 7 más 5 equal to negative 2. And so we add negative 7 más 5, which is negative 2, equal to negative 2. Es ahí mismo. So check. So this is correct. Respuesta is correct. Okay, let's look at different problema. We have x minus 3 equal 7. Again, first step, we look at the negative 3. So negative 3, opposite is positive 3. So negative 3, opposite, or we say undo, is más 3. So we do más 3 to both sides. And so negative x comes down, but negative 3 más 3 is 0. So 7 más 3 is 10. So it's 10. So now we do check. Check would be 10 goes back in for x. So 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So we add 10 and 3, we get 7 equal to 7. So check. So respuesta is my answer, 10. Okay. So there's another problem. Okay. Let's look at a different one. Let's say we do 3x igual 24, so 24. Okay. This right here is multiplication. Multiplication. So 3 is multiplied to x. So opposite or undo is dividir, divide by 3. So we divide by 3, divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is x. So 24 dividido 3 is 8. So this is my respuesta, answer. So we now take 8, put back here into x. So 3 multiply 8 equal 24. So this means multiplication. So 3 multiply 8 is 24. So 24 equal 24. So check. The check is correct. So it works. So my respuesta 8 is right. Okay. Let's do one more. Okay. So last problema is 2 dividido 3 multiplied by x equal negative 4. There's two steps. First step, we can do the 3 here. So this is dividir 3. So this is divide 3. So opposite or undo is multiply. Multiply. Multiply by 3. So we multiply by 3 and we multiply by 3. Because 3 dividir 3 is uno. Uno times 2 is 2x equal to, and we multiply, so negative 12. Okay. Second step, we have to get rid of the dos, the 2. This is multiplication, so 2 is multiplied by x. So opposite or undo is divide by 2. So dividir 2. Dividir 2. Always opposite. 2 dividir 2 is uno. So we get x equal to negative 12 dividir 2 is negative 6. So we do check. Always do check. Okay. So check is taking respuesta put back into problema. So, oops. Excuse-moi. So for this one here, we put 2 divided by 3 times negative 6 equal negative 12. No, equal to negative 4, sorry. Disculpen. Alright, so 4. So this is 6, negative 6 over uno. So we multiply. Okay, so 2 multiply negative 6 is negative 12 equal to negative 4. So negative 12 divided 3 is negative 4, and so check work. So respuesta is correct. So now you, estudiante, you do 4 problemas. For first problema to do is x plus 6 equal to negative 7, and then do check. And those do x minus 4 equal to 7 and do check. Okay, and then 3 we do x divided 3 equal to negative 9 and then do check. And then also 4, I want you to do 4x equal to 4 and do check. So copy onto paper, alright, and then take picture on telephono and send email. So email to Mr. Salvatore. So KURT period SALVATORI at Highline Schools.org. Okay, ORG. ORG. Okay. Alright, so this is the homework for due on Tuesday. Okay, martes, due on martes. Gracias, thank you.